Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Toyota Yaris key battery. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR 2016 battery. It's important to have a clean, well-lit area to work in, preventing any small parts from getting lost. This simple replacement will quickly restore your key's full remote functionality, making sure your car responds reliably every time you press a button. Let's get started. Now let's open the key fob. Look for a small notch, usually located on the side of the fob where the two halves meet. Take your small flathead screwdriver and gently insert its tip into this notch. With a slight twist or prying motion, carefully separate the two halves of the key fob. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic casing or the internal components. The case should pop open with minimal effort. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. This helps ensure you insert the new battery correctly. Gently pry out the old CR 2016 battery. Now, take your new CR 2016 battery and insert it into the slot, making sure the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards. This is crucial for proper operation. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, ensuring they fit together perfectly. Gently press them together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Once reassembled, head to your Toyota Yaris and test all the key fob's functions. Check if the lock, unlock, and any other buttons are working correctly. You've successfully changed your key battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.